Deep in the heart of an untouched forest, where the rivers hum and the trees whisper ancient secrets, a tiny abandoned kitten opened her eyes for the first time. Lost, alone and helpless, she cried out for her mother, but no one came. But fate had a different plan. A group of gentle turtles, wise and ancient, stumbled upon the tiny feline. Though they were creatures of the shell, something in them stirred, an instinct to protect. Without hesitation, they made space for the kitten among them, offering her the warmth of their slow, steady bodies. As days turned into weeks, the kitten named Tali learned the ways of her unlikely family. She mimicked their patience, their quiet observation of the world, and even their diet, though fish and berries suited her better than leaves and moss. But she was still a cat. Her instincts led her to explore, climb, and hunt, yet she never strayed too far from her slow-moving guardians. One of the greatest lessons Tali learned was patience. While she was quick and curious, her turtle family taught her that sometimes staying still is the best way to survive.